Ford recall. 2024-2025 Mustang. Over 105,000 cars, what's wrong? Ford identified that the rear body panels on certain Mustang models were not sealed properly during manufacturing. Because of this, water can seep inside electrical connectors and light housings. Over time, this moisture may cause short circuits or complete light failure. Affected lights include license plate lights, side marker lamps, and tail lights. These lights are critical for ensuring a vehicle is visible at night and during bad weather. Without them, drivers behind may not notice the Mustang slowing or turning, raising the risk of rear-end crashes. Timeline and scope. Applies to 2024 and 2025 Ford Mustang models manufactured in the U.S. More than 105,000 vehicles are covered under this recall. Owners will begin receiving recall notification letters in late 2025. What Ford will do? Ford dealers will inspect the rear panels for signs of poor sealing. If water damage is found, technicians will replace the affected lighting components and properly reseal the panels. The repair will be free of charge to all owners. Bigger picture for Ford. This Mustang recall is part of a larger pattern in 2025. Ford has issued multiple recalls this year, covering millions of vehicles, making it the most recalled automaker in 2025 so far. The recalls are adding hundreds of millions in warranty costs for the company. Ford is under pressure to improve its quality control and manufacturing processes to prevent recurring safety issues. What owners should do now? 1. Check recall status. Right pointing arrow. Visit Ford's recall lookup website and enter your VIN. 2. Wait for official letter. Right pointing arrow notices will be mailed, typically within 60 days of the recall announcement. 3. Schedule a repair. Right pointing arrow. Once eligible, contact your local Ford dealership. 4. Monitor your Mustang. Right pointing arrow. Watch for flickering or failing lights before your repair. Safety reminder. Even if your Mustang seems fine, water intrusion can cause gradual damage. It's best not to delay the repair once the recall opens.